Welcome to this video in which I shortly explain what mindfulness actually means and why it is necessary for everybody. Then I introduce 3 simple practical techniques for beginners to you. At the end we will practice one of them together so that you get the idea and feeling of it personally. So let's jump into the video. The simple meaning of mindfulness is being in the present moment. But what does this actually mean and why is it necessary? It means to bring your complete awareness without any distractions to your breath, your body, to all your surroundings, and to your mind with all its thoughts. You observe them carefully and accept all the happenings and sensations you have, without judging or labeling them. Our thoughts have a deep impact on our view on ourselves, our life and the world around us. A mindset that you are not constantly aware of and turns negative can cause a lack of hope and motivation, low self-esteem, even mental diseases which can lead to death, numbering only a few. But how does that work concretely? Let's start with the first exercise to give you an idea of it. We are going around every single day, the whole day long. But mostly we do not do it mindfully. The next time you go a small or longer distance, whether outside or inside, that doesn't matter, walk slower and deliberately. Pay your full attention to the sensations in your feet and legs as you walk. Feel your shoes, and your feet and toes in them, the movement of your legs and the contractions of your muscles. Get aware whether you walk light-footed or sluggish, whether your gait is regular or not. What is your posture like? Is it straight or bent forward? Maybe you can feel the ground's texture and whether it is even or not. Do you feel comfortable or not? Or is it hard for you to walk there or painful? As you can see, there are many things you can become aware of what we normally do not pay any attention to. Now we get to the second exercise. You can use the second technique while you are doing your daily tasks. Whether it's brushing your teeth, washing the dishes, or taking a shower, you can choose any of them to get started with mindfulness in your life. While doing it, draw your attention on the task at hand and notice the sensations in your body. Perceive the actions and sensations of your hands, fingers, legs, feet, etc. Realize what your body sensations are, for example if you feel pain or comfort, and what your feelings deep inside of you are about doing this task, like happiness, anger, indifference or anything else. Be with yourself in that special moment. As you can see, you can easily integrate these techniques into your daily routine by doing things you always already do each day and can start practicing mindfulness right away. They don't take much of your time and you can practice them anywhere. The third simple technique you can try right now. Find a comfortable seat, sit down, straight, with your feet firmly planted on the ground, and your hands resting on your lap. If you like, close your eyes gently. Take some deep breaths in, and exhale slowly. Notice the sensations of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. If your thoughts start to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Let's try this for a few moments. After practicing techniques like these regularly, you will realize the huge positive effect on your well-being and mental state. Guided meditations are a great way to start practicing mindfulness, especially if you're new to the practice. You can find many guided meditations and tons of different mindfulness exercises on my channel waiting for you to discover them. You will get a totally different perspective on yourself. You can reduce stress, increase focus, and profit from many other benefits of mindfulness. But remember, it's a practice, and it takes time and patience to develop. Keep trying hard and improve yourself, instead of falling into illness and bad mental state. If you like, I will support you with my videos on this very special journey. If you liked this one, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.